Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about gas station fire that happened in Manchester, Mandeville yesterday. And we're sourcing this directly from the Gleaner, and it says dramatic scenes unfold in Mandeville, Manchester yesterday evening as the long-standing Heavens FESCO petrol station there went up in flames, causing injuries to at least 7 people and sending passersby scampering for cover. 4 persons have been hospitalized with third-degree burns and 3 others are now nursing minor injuries, while 12 vehicles were destroyed, authorities said last night, even as investigations were ongoing. Approximately 5:40 p.m. yesterday, the service station, which is located at the intersection of Perrott Road, Manchester Road and Caledina Road, was engulfed in flames, emitting a heavy blanket of smoke across sections of the town, causing chaos amongst customers and commuters. As several explosions were heard, screaming and high-voltage noise pierced the air, sending people occupying nearby buildings into panic. Officials up to press time were yet to identify the cause of the massive fire, but Emily Ebanks, public relations officer at the Jamaica Fire Brigade, confirmed with the Jamaica Gleaner last night that several units responded and managed to extinguish the blaze. Superintendent of Police Gary Francis said that the fire was brought under control by 3 units from Manchester Fire Department. Myself and 20 other officers are actually managing the situation, said Francis. Video set to our news center last night captured when the incident happened. One video showed a gas station employee attending to what appeared to be free-flowing fluid at one of the pumps, while the others stood around gawking and videotaping at the popular Top Up facility when a sudden explosion occurred. Jessica Mullins, who was parked opposite the gas station, told our news center yesterday evening it was so unreal. I was so scared. People were screaming. You could hear vehicles on fire over there and a lot of popping sounds. But what was frightening was that people were actually moving towards the gas station and not away. Wow. I actually left my vehicle. I went to where Scotiabank is because I don't know what can happen, and if all the gas below somehow gets ignited, God know what could have happened. True that. Another eyewitness captured the fear and confusion sparked by the blaze. I was in my store when I heard the explosion and ran out. I saw the first pump explode, then the second one, and then the third. In no time, the whole gas station was under fire, she said. A nearby business owner who gave his name as Donnie. I'm glad that the fire never escaped to all other business places nearby, but I feel it for all those persons who were there getting gas. Trevor Barnes, Chief Executive Officer of FESCO, told the Gleaner last night that they received a call sometime after 5 p.m. that the gas station was on fire. We are trying to find out what happened, but it is very unfortunate. We are getting different reports, but first and foremost is trying to make sure everybody is okay. I really do not know what happened or what caused the fire right now, Barnes said, mentioning that directors and senior managers of the company were on their way to Mandeville to assess the damage and to give support to those affected. As a company, we are resilient and we will do what is necessary to come back, but now it's really just to ensure that everybody is okay. Barnes said that several businesses, including a Cambio, a money transfer facility, and a tire workshop, are in the immediate vicinity of where the blaze took place. Another video that was sent to our news center last night showed a badly burned man walking dazed towards Manchester High School near Perrott Road in Mandeville. He was eventually rushed to a nearby hospital, but his condition could not be ascertained up to press time last night. 2 weeks ago, an explosion of Villa Road Primary School, also in Mandeville, resulted in the death of Petcom driver assistant Nimoy Cross. The 36-year-old man was filling a gas cylinder at the school when he was hurt in the explosion. 4 others were also injured in the incident. Uncertain whether the fire will affect FESCO engagement when NCB Capital Markets in the upcoming initial public offer. FESCO is set to become the first fuel network in Jamaica to present an IPO and will seek approval from Jamaica Stock Exchange for its shares to be listed on the junior market. FESCO or FESCO has a range of capital projects under the way that will climax with a hunt for equity financing by fourth quarter of this year. Besides Mandeville, the fuel network boasts 13 service stations. FESCO plans to add 7 more locations by year end with a $300 million complex under construction. So, this is not no liquor gas station company. This is not no mom and pop company. So, I hope they actually help everybody that was injured and is affected by this fire. People lose them car, people burn, people almost lost their life. So they need to step up and help these people. They have the pockets to do it. One thing I will have to say about watching this video and watching all of this unfold is that the workers at this gas station was very, very negligent. And I'm going to say this from experience because I worked at a gas station for over a year before. Gas is something that's easily flammable. The gas was spilling all over the floor, and these employees were just lackadaisical. If you don't like the job, you don't like what you have to do, quit. Let somebody who will want to work get the job. You're putting people's life at risk when you just sit down there lackadaisical and see the gas that spill over and do nothing. 2, the response times, whether it's for any first responding team in Jamaica, is piss poor. That needs to seriously be improved. 3, there's no burn unit in all of Jamaica. And so I've heard, correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section. I've heard that there is no burn unit in all of Jamaica. Jamaica politician want to build new parliament, which is crazy to me. They rather build new parliament than actually putting the money where it needs to go, which is in healthcare and education and helping the poverty crisis in Jamaica. But that's neither here nor there. Another thing is what struck out the most to me is how desensitized our people are. Instead of moving away from this gas station that have gas underneath the flooring, it's full. The whole gas station, that's where they put the gas, underneath the building, underneath the gas pumps. It's full of gas. Instead of people walking away from these gas pumps and gas station, people are walking towards it. I don't know if it's desensitized or people are just want to see bad things, or them just are so accustomed to bad things happen they will risk their life just to be a part of it. But something gotta give. Something have to give, because this right here should not be happening. Whether it's a murder, whether it's a gas explosion, people just always seem to find themselves walking towards the scene of a crime and not walking away. And that right there shows you how desensitized we are as people to bad things happening, and people are videoing instead of calling the fire brigade and telling them to hurry up. Like, this right here is sad. But I hope everybody that was affected gets help and is treated and is well compensated by this company, because they should have hired people that would have done their job. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.